I'm going to show you how to create an image file of a SketchUp design. In other words, saving an image file. So what I've done is I've already brought up my image file here, or my SketchUp file rather. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up what's called a Snipping Tool. Now if you don't have this on your taskbar, it's really easy to find. Just go down here to the search menu, you type in Snipping, S-N-I-P-P, and you'll see that comes up right there. So if I want to put it on my taskbar, I can just right click and say Pin to Taskbar. So I've already got it here and I've got it open, so I click on it and I'm going to click on New. When I do that, you'll see this is grayed out. All I have to do is click and drag over like that, and now I've got my image. Now to save it, I go to File, Save As, and it should open up my Downloads folder, or I'm sorry, my Pictures folder. So I'm going to save it as 1, that's just my hour I'm in, Miller, my last name, Dragster 1. Click on Save, and it's going to save it to that folder. So now, when I go to Schoology, I can go ahead and upload that to the assignment and hopefully get credit for it.